This is the quick release windshield for Indian Scouts. Now, just about every rider would agree that there's nothing more liberating than roaring down the highway with that wind in your face. But let's face it, the wind becomes a lot less friendly when you're pounding through it mile after mile, not to mention having to deal with rain or the inevitable possibility of going head to head with bugs or road debris. For all those reasons, you need to check out these windshields. Now, many Scout owners are using their Scouts for a lot more than the weekend rip or daily commuting. They're going well beyond the local confines for long touring rides. And if you're one of those owners, you really need to check out the quick release windshield. Now, these things are super easy to install and remove thanks to the quick release technology. They feature these rubber mounting brackets, which are really great in dampening vibration. You would think something like this might have the potential for a lot of rattle and noise on the road. That's not the case at all. Bottom line, if you're going to do longer miles, touring rides on your Scout, you got to check out this quick release windshield.